It's the street out front. It's a pond. There's our cars in the driveway. See if I can get it. I don't know if the light's going to shine right. Let's see. You can kind of see. It's coming up into the center of our yard now. They just got a flood warning on our phones, and they said till 3:15. So I'm hoping it doesn't come all the way up to the garage. You can see the flow is pretty good. Let's see if I can zoom in. That's all water. That ain't the road. Not no more. So glad we came home. I'm glad we're home now and I can get into a nice warm bed. We just pulled the cars up tighter, as tight as we could. That's our neighborhood. I haven't even checked our backyard yet.